Hi, I'm Greg with Electric Eel Manufacturing, and today I'm going to demonstrate and talk about some of the benefits of one of our electric eel continuous cable drum machines. And I know we all love drum machines. There's a lot of reasons for that. You wheel them into the customer's house, they look professional, good image for your company. The cable coming out of the line doesn't get water all over the floor. It goes right back into the drum, which you then just drain out the back plug later. Because the cable is contained in the drum, you're not walking into the customer's house with something that looks like this. A cable reel full of rusted cable that's full of toilet paper, or tampons, or who knows what else. I mean, it's just nasty. Your customers don't want to see that, doesn't present a professional image to your company, and you might not get that phone call back for next time. So, this machine here is called the Z5. This particular model has the auto feed feature. It is also available without the auto feed. This drum holds either 50, 75, or 100 feet of either 3/8 diameter or 1/2 inch diameter cable. The cable is composed of either an inner core or without the inner core. The cable is made right here in the USA, the highest grade steel, with a music wire inner core. The cable is very strong and allows for great flexibility with that inner core. It's recommended you have it, but you can choose not to have it as well. So, on this machine, one of the huge benefits of this particular drum machine versus some of the others in the industry are the large wheels. Some of these drum machines out there have these tiny little 3 or 4 inch wheels with a 1/2 inch thick diameter or an inch. They get stuck in the mud, it's hard to go across the yard. Going into the house, they might not go up the steps or go over your extension cord. We have the 8 inch wheels with the 2 inch wide base. Makes it really convenient moving this thing around and getting where you need to go without getting stuck. Something you can also do with these large wheels is those little booties that you wear inside your customer's house. You just flip them over the wheels. Because of their large size, they hold it very well and doesn't get anything on the customer's floor. You can't do that with a little 3 inch wheel. It doesn't work out so well. Another great feature is this cart that's attached. You simply unscrew the nut here on the side and it easily folds down for transport in your truck or your van. Now, what's one of the major downsides of a drum machine? What happens when you run that cable in reverse? We've all been there, guys. You run the machine in reverse, it spins the drum in the opposite direction, and because the cable in the machine is wound in a certain way, once you spin that drum in reverse, it's going to unwind that cable and cause a rat tail's nasty tangled mess inside of this drum. So what do you got to do? You got to stop the job. You're losing money. You got to have your guy go out there and mess with this machine for a 1/2 hour to an hour, trying to get it untangled so you can get back on that job, which only should have took you 30 minutes. Now it's taking you 2 hours. You know, your guy's out there with his hands in this thing, trying to undo this tangled mess. It's just no good. So what Electric Eel has done to take away that problem in case it's accidentally wound in reverse or it gets tangled inside of the drum, we have made this drum in 2 sections. In the middle here we have our watertight rubber seal. You simply just slide the seal back, and on each end of the drum here there's 4 bolts. You undo those bolts and within minutes the front is off, cable is out, stretch it out, wind it back in, you're good to go, you're back making money again. Of course, the best thing to do is to not run it in reverse in the first place, but it happens, or your rookie plumber does it. I mean, it's unavoidable sometimes. So this machine is run on a 1/3 horsepower motor and is a pneumatic machine. Here's our pneumatic foot pedal right here. I'm going to go ahead and step on it. As you can hear, the machine is very quiet, which is a huge benefit with any cable machine. So a lot of guys out there don't necessarily like having the auto feed feature. What they want to do is put their hands on that cable so you can feel what's going on inside of that line when you get to that blockage. Well, getting the machine with the auto feed allows you to turn off the auto feed so you can use it either way. You can have it or you can not have it. You simply tighten this nut down that's here on the front, and it applies pressure to the cable, which then turns it into the auto feed. As you can see, the cable is feeding out. Now, if you want to feed it manually, you simply take off off the pressure on the cable, and now this is a manual drum machine. Hold that cable there, feel what's going on inside of the line. When you're done, tighten the nut back down, and now we have this cable going in reverse. Some of the huge benefits with an auto feed retracting itself to the drum, it's going to save you time. Time is money. And it lines up inside this drum perfect every single time, just like it came from the factory. There's 3 different positions. The rear position to feed it back in. The middle position is a neutral position to sit there and wind at your mast. And the forward position is your forward to put the cable through the line. Now we have our protective shield here, which allows you not to have to ever touch the cable if you don't want to. That's a safety feature as well as a cleanliness feature. We're going to go ahead and put this in our line so we can see what it does. Simply blow your machine as close as you can get it, put it inside of your line, push forward on the auto feed, and we'll let the machine do the work for us. And there we go. Retract it back, and we're good to go on that. Now this machine is a fantastic machine, a lot of versatility, a lot of benefits. You're going to go ahead and get a large tool package for everything that you need, from cutting roots or clearing out grease, the half-moon cutters, spade cutters, retrievers, whatever you need. This machine is going to clean anything from 1.5 inches up to a 3-inch line. You can go larger than a 3-inch, but we recommend that the maximum is a 3-inch line to get the maximum cleaning effect of this particular machine right here. Fantastic all around, very affordable. Give us a call or visit us at electriceel.com. We'll put you in touch with the representative in your area that can get you a quote and come out and give you an on-site product demonstration. As always, guys, whenever you're doing anything, make sure safety's first. You've got your gloves and you've got your goggles. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.